Hi, welcome to Technoland Expert. I hope you won't feared about length of the code cause after 5 minutes they're repetitive code used for different section. Source code is available on GitHub. Comprehensive explanation of the Glassmorphism product cards code. Information is stored including meta char set equals UTF-8 which ensures the page supports UTF-8 character encoding, meta name equals viewport content equals width equals device width, initial scale equals 1.0 / for responsiveness across devices, a title tag naming the page as Glassmorphism menu, and an external stylesheet link rel equals stylesheet ref equals style.css / allowing for additional CSS though most styles are embedded within a style block. Inside the style block, a Google font, Poppins, is imported and applied universally via the asterisk selector, resetting default margins and padding, setting box sizing, border box, and applying the Poppins font across elements, while the body styles included gradient background, linear gradient, 135 degrees, hashtag 0f2027, hashtag 203a43, hashtag 2c5364, white text, and minimum height of 100 vh to cover the full viewport. The .navbar section defines a flexible header with display, flex, justify content, space between, and align items, center ensuring horizontal layout with items at the edges, applying a background image, natural skin care banner 4.jpg, backdrop filter, blur, 10px. For the Glassmorphism effect, padding, position, sticky, top, 0 so the navbar remains fixed at the top during scrolling, a z-index, 100 to keep it above other elements, and a box shadow for depth, inside which the dot logo is styled with increased font size and color while .navlinks uses flexbox with spacing, gap, 1.7 rem, and list style removed. Then .navlinks defines each link style with background transparency, white text, padding, border radius, and hover effect changing the background. After the header, .card grid is introduced as a CSS grid container that lays out multiple .glass card elements with responsive columns, grid template columns, repeat, autofit, minmax, 250px, 1fr, gaps, and padding, and each .glass card employs a Glassmorphism design with a semi-transparent background, hashtag 50ffE2 initially for demo, rounded corners, border radius, 20px, padding, backdrop filter, blur, 15px, for frosted glass, shadows for depth, borders with partial transparency, hover scaling, effects, and text-centered, specific .card 1 through .card 4 use background images like skincare banner.jpg and similar variations to visually differentiate them. Typography styles ensure headings. Glass card H2, use large bold fonts with shadow, paragraphs. Glass card P, use lighter colors, spacing, and shadows, and buttons have rounded pill styles with hover effects changing their color. Hashtag 24FFC8 to hashtag E7E407. Following this, another set of cards is defined with card container as a grid for displaying glass-like cards containing images and text content, with .glass cards class styled to have semi-transparent backgrounds.